guys, so today we're making these cute little wreath ornaments, and here's what I'm using. You can use any size ring that you want. You can use any size beads. You do not have to use these. You can use any greenery that you want for there. And for this one, I'm using this thick felted wool. You can use a chunky yarn. You can use a thick string, rope, basically anything you have. It also looks really good with braided cord as well. So let's get started. I have my 9 centimeter ring and my 6 centimeter ring. And how I'm going to start this is I'm just going to take one end and I'm going to tie a knot. I'll leave a little bit of length there, just a little, few inches. Okay, so as you can see, I've just taped this into place just so that it doesn't wobble around while I am demonstrating. And we're just going to hold that smaller one into place. And basically, we're just going to repeat the same weaving pattern over and over again. So we're starting by going behind the large loop. So it's like so. And then we're going over the center. And then we're taking it and going up and over that larger one. So we're just weaving it in and out. So we're going behind the large one, over top of the small one, now we're going to take it and go right back over the large one. So now that I've done all of my weaving in and out, I've pushed them back as far as I could so that this is covered, the rings are covered, and now we've come to the end, and I finished this one here going over top and through, so it's coming out of the back. And here's the first one where we tied that knot. So I'm going to untie that and just pull it so you can see that this is all uniform. It looks like it's just an infinity knot just working its way around. Now I'm just going to trim it off. Now I'm just going to take these bunny tails and I've taped them together right there. And I'm just going to trim them down nice and short. Okay, so I've just threaded this needle with a little bit of jute. And I'm just going to place it